In this video, I'll show you how to add a coupon or promo code in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Product Catalog in the left side menu, then select Coupons. Now, click Create Coupon. Choose whether you want to offer a percentage discount or a fixed amount discount. Enter the discount value, then choose how long the coupon will remain valid. You can make it valid once, for a limited number of billing cycles, or forever. Next, create a promotion code for your coupon. Enter a custom code that customers will use during checkout, or let Stripe generate one automatically. You can also set an expiration date, redemption limits, or other restrictions if needed. Once you've finished configuring everything, review your settings and click Create to save the coupon and promotion code. Your customers can now enter the promo code during checkout to receive the discount, as long as it meets the conditions you've set. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a coupon or promo code in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.